In today's video, we're going to see how we can use the int function in Microsoft Excel. The int function is a type of function which helps to convert the decimal numbers into whole numbers. When you look at our data in the table, in the heading of efficiency, these are the data I have contain decimal numbers. As you can see, all the data values have the decimal numbers. So for me to remove the decimal numbers and remain with the whole number, I have to use the int function. So what I'm going to do, I will select one of the cell and then I go ahead and type equal sign and then I type the function name, which is int. Now int will round the number down to the nearest terms. So from there, I'll go ahead and put the number, and that is going to be the first value. Then I close the bracket, and then when you press enter, all the values now will be converted from the decimal number up to the whole number. As you can see, the other value after the whole number is just a zero, and the zero, of course, does not mean anything. If you also want to remove this zero, you can highlight the numbers, all the numbers, and then you go to the home tab. Then from there, select the group called numbers. Then you can decrease the number of decimal values and remain with the whole numbers around. So this is how we can use the int function to convert any decimal number into the whole number. Thank you very much. Let's catch up in the next video.